Hello guys, welcome back to another episode of haul video. Welcome back to my channel. This video is going to be another Myntra haul video. These products, whatever the products I have purchased, most of them, if I'm not wrong, were on discount only, and somehow I was looking for these products for such a long time and I landed on those products. Nowadays, you know AI, how it works. So jokes apart, so I have very few products. This video won't be that long. So yeah, here I am with all these products to share with you guys. And if you're interested to know that what I have got from Myntra, then please keep on watching. And also I will add all the links in the description box below. Feel free to check them out. I will add a photo or a video as well on the screen somewhere with the price details, so you will have an idea that if you want to go for it or not. And with that, let's just get into the video. And before moving ahead, if you're new to my channel, hi, my name is Mandira. I do create videos about lifestyle, beauty, makeup, fashion, and sometimes vlogs. So if that is sort of your thing, then please keep on watching, and please do take a moment and subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. And with that, let's just dive into the video. So the first product is this top which I'm wearing right now. I love this top. Basically, I loved it for the color. Look at the color, how beautiful it is, and I was dying for a top like this or a short like this. I have found couple of them, but when it got delivered, the color I wanted, it was not the same. But this one, it was like on point, and trust me, this top was on a discount. They have other varieties as well. Let me tell you that what is the brand. So this is the top from Ahvan, if I'm pronouncing it right. So this is their top, women's solid square neck top. I love square neck, I love v-neck. I do not prefer to wear round neck. I love the color, I love the sleeves, I love full sleeve. I do not prefer to wear 3/4 or half sleeve or like this much sleeve. So it was like 10 on 10 for me, and also it was on discount as I mentioned. So let me tell you how much did I pay. Okay, the price is, actual price is 1,999, but I paid 599, and they have other colors like red, white, black, lavender, maroon, orange, like different colors. You can see here all the colors are available. I think when I would be uploading this video, I hope this sale would be live, so you can definitely check this out if you don't like this color, because brown one of my favorite colors. So that's why I got this one. I have a lavender one, a different design but almost the same, but this color I did not have it in my wardrobe, so I had to get it. And let me tell you about the material also. It's a little bit of polyester is there. It's not fully cotton, but I feel like when I'm wearing it, I feel it's not that uncomfortable. Like, you know, I have always told you guys like how much comfort is important to me when I'm purchasing any outfit, but I do not feel uncomfortable. The material is little thick, but it really does not feel like it's polyester. When I first time wore it, it was like I was feeling it was cotton, but it's I think 90% is polyester, but it is absolutely comfortable. I think like it really hugs my body, and already you can see in the video that how it exactly looks like. So now you can decide if you want to go for it or not. So the next product is this another top. This is a brand called Dream Beauty Fashion. इस brand का मैंने इससे पहले भी एक top खरीदा हुआ है. इनका most of the tops are like floral printed वाला है. Got this one this time. This is a little different design. I think I do not have anything as such in my wardrobe. So it's a pink floral sweetheart neck top. So let me show you quickly. So this is the top. This is a sweetheart neckline. It has, I love the color, I love the design, I love everything about it. Only thing is that I ordered in my true size, like I am medium, but still it is a little loose for me, so I would exchange it with a smaller one. Other than that, I loved it. It has a full sleeve. The material is quite soft. It's not cotton. It has a polyester material. It has a little puffy sleeve, and यहाँ पे shoulder के यहाँ पे थोड़ा elastic भी दिया हुआ है. So yeah, it hugs your body. It would be a good option to add it to your wardrobe, and it was also on discount. Let me tell you what is the actual price. So actual price is 1099 and I got it at the price of 395 only, and they do not have any other varieties. So this is my second purchase. So the next outfit is this oversized pure cotton basic t-shirt which I wanted for my gym. Actually I have 2 to 3 oversized t-shirts already and I wanted 1 or 2 more t-shirts to add, and it's pure cotton. समर में पहनने के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. इसका जो कलर है ये एक्चुअली पिस्ता ग्रीन आई वुड से, बट दे हैव अदर कलर्स अवेलेबल एज वेल. लॉट ऑफ कलर्स आर अवेलेबल. दिस इज अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड डिलिंगर and इसका actual price है 999 but I got it at the price of 439. There are so many colors are available. You can definitely check this out. This is very comfortable, let me tell you. And yeah, of course summer में पहनने के लिए as I mentioned बहुत ही अच्छा है. घर में पहनने के लिए गर्मी में कितना अच्छा लगता है कि थोड़ा सा ढीला ढाला एकदम कपड़ा पहनो. So it's very nice to add it to your wardrobe. And yeah, let's move on to the next one. This product is this t-shirt. ये मैंने शायद मीडियम साइज में ही मंगवाया है बट मुझे लग रहा है थोड़ा सा ढीला हो रहा है मुझे. इट्स प्योर कॉटन एंड ब्रांड कॉल्ड केनेथ कोल. एंड आई रिमेम्बर इस ब्रांड का मैं पहले परफ्यूम लगाया करती थी, बहुत अच्छा होता है. बट इन लोगों का क्लोथिंग आइटम्स भी आता है, मुझे नहीं पता था. सो फर्स्ट टाइम आई गॉट this t-shirt from this brand. इसका actual price है 1499 and I got it at the price of 659. इसका कोई different colors available तो है नहीं. इसका olive green color है, इसका V neckline है, थोड़ा सा ढीला है. I think small size अच्छा रहेगा मेरे लिए, but I mean there is no harm like keeping it in medium size. थोड़ा सा ढीला ढीला है बट समर में पहनने के लिए तो बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा क्योंकि प्योर कॉटन का है. I loved it. वेरी बेसिक है. यहाँ पे जो उनका ब्रांडिंग का यहाँ पे लोगो दिया हुआ है, that is all, nothing else mentioned here. I may exchange it but not so sure, like it depends on my mood because I'm happy with it. So yeah, this is my another purchase. Let's move on to the next one. Oh, this one though I can't tell you, like oof, I'm so happy that I got this one. I never purchased any products from this particular brand. Let me tell you which brand it is and what is the outfit. Okay, when I was looking for this oversized t-shirt for my gym, so I thought like मेरे पास बहुत ज़्यादा ना वर्कआउट करने के लिए लेगिंग्स वगैरह नहीं है, लाइक बॉटम्स नहीं है उतना ज़्यादा है बट शॉर्ट्स में है, फुल लेंथ वाला नहीं है. That time all of a sudden I landed in this particular page. So this is the bottom and let me tell you how soft it is. Like I wish मैं आप लोगों को कैमरे के अंदर से जाके सबको फील करा सकती कि ये कितना सॉफ्ट है, इतना बॉडी हगिंग है, ये इतना सॉफ्ट है. इट लुक्स लाइक ये वुलन का है बट एब्सोल्युटली नो. ये रिप्ड मटेरियल का है, बहुत ही ज़्यादा सॉफ्ट मटेरियल का है. लेट मी टेल यू द ब्रांड. दिस इज अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड कप्पा विमेन ब्रांड लोगो प्रिंटेड टाइट्स. इसमें कुछ पॉकेट वगैरह नहीं है एंड इसका एक्चुअल प्राइस है 1499 एंड मुझे मिला है ये एट द कॉस्ट ऑफ 899. इसमें कुछ डिफरेंट कलर्स वगैरह अवेलेबल नहीं है. कॉटन तो नहीं है, ये नायलॉन का है और एज आई मेंशन लाइक रिप्ड मटेरियल का है. सॉलिड टाइट्स है एंड इट हग्स योर बॉडी लाइक नोबडीज बिजनेस एंड आपको फील ही नहीं होगा कि आप कुछ पहने हो बॉडी में. इट्स सो लाइट वेट. आई लव दिस वन. बहुत सॉफ्ट. आई कांट टेल यू लाइक हाउ सॉफ्ट इट इज. This was my best purchase in this particular haul. So that is that. Let's quickly move on to the last item of this haul, which is a shoe that I recently joined gym and I have 2 to 3 like good branded sneakers, but I wanted a sneaker specifically for my gym which I would use only for my gym. So I was looking for some different brands because I have got Nike, I have got Puma, I have got Reebok, I have got HRX ka sneakers. Like these 3-4 sneakers I have already got. So I never used Adidas ka shoe before, I mean sneaker. So I have got this sneaker finally and it was on discount. So सोने पे सुहागा as always. I always look for discount. So I have actually started using it as well because मैं जिम जाना तो चालू कर दिया already. So this is how it looks like. दिस इज द शू। ये मैं सिर्फ जिम में लेके जाती हूँ, उधर ही पहनती हूँ, मैं चल के पहन के नहीं आती हूँ घर पे, तो इसीलिए इसका सोल वगैरह अभी भी ठीक ठाक है। तो ये लैवेंडर कलर में आता है और पीछे ऐसे थोड़ा सा वायलेट कलर में है। इसके बहुत बेसिक है, क्वाइट सॉफ्ट है, कंफर्टेबल है। एंड लेट मी टेल यू द प्राइस। So this shoe is from their range called Amalgo running shoes. इसका actual price है 4299 and right now its price showing is 3439. However, when I purchased it, I paid only 2500 around because उस टाइम और ज़्यादा डिस्काउंट था, अभी तो 20% डिस्काउंट दिखा रहा है। बट इफ़ यू लाइक दिस शू so you can definitely check this out और just keep an eye out कि कभी भी इन लोगों का ना डिस्काउंट का जो प्राइस है, परसेंटेज जो है ना डिस्काउंट का, वो थोड़ा सा ऊपर नीचे होता रहता है। सो अगर आपको पसंद है ना, एवरीडे कीप अ चेक कि कभी थोड़ा सा और ज़्यादा कम हो तो यू कैन बाई इट फॉर योर सेल्फ। सो या दैट इज प्रेटी मच ऑल अबाउट इट एंड दैट सम्स अप दिस वीडियो। आई होप यू रियली लाइक्ड एंड एंजॉय दिस वीडियो। इफ यू लाइक द वीडियो, डोंट फॉरगेट टू हिट द like, share and subscribe button. That would mean a lot to me. And also I'm super active on Instagram. If you like my content, please do give me a follow there as well. And if you have any video suggestion, if you want me to review any specific product on my channel, please do comment below. I will try my level best to incorporate that in my upcoming videos. And also I will leave couple of discount codes in the description box below. Feel free to use them. And with that, I will see you in my next video. Till then, take care and stay safe. Bye.